From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, how are we doing today? Happy Friday morning. My name is student meteorologist Brendan Schmalenberger here with your Campus Weather Service forecast. Taking a look right now around 7 o'clock early-ish or so. It's a little bit dark right now, and that's not just because it is dark outside. No, we have a lot of clouds rolling in. That will be a pretty common theme throughout the rest of today because we are expecting a very rainy Friday. Not a great start to the weekend. Right behind me, though, at the Arboretum, some of those clouds are starting to roll in a little bit. Right now, it's a little dry, but we'll see how that changes going later on. We're currently around 32 degrees or so. Dew point around 32, visibility 7 miles. That will continue to get a little lower as we get later on into the day with winds roughly calm right now, maybe around 2-3 miles per hour. So nothing too crazy like we've seen over the last couple of days. Again, 32 in State College. Not much else really in the other surrounding area. 39 out in Indiana. Pretty uniform, that we'll say. 40 out in Pittsburgh, though. Around 41 down in Philly down here as well. 33 Allentown and 34 in Scranton. Hovering around those 30s, 40s or so. Really not getting much higher or lower than that. And again, winds are pretty uniform across the rest of the state. Calm in State College, Center County region. Really nothing much going on. It's a very big difference over the last couple of days where we're seeing up to 15, 20 miles, even 30 mile per hour gusts over the last couple of days or so. So something to keep in mind as we get into today. Despite some of these rain showers just beginning to roll into the Center County region, we're seeing a little bit down in the Pittsburgh area, as well as up in Allentown and Scranton right now. You might be seeing a couple of scattered showers if you happen to be on your early morning commute. However, this is what we're looking at right here, this rain band that's starting to slowly come up. That's been coming up since around 4 in the morning or so. That will eventually run into us later, as we'll see right now. 8:30 a.m. We're starting to see some of that rain come through. A little bit of a wintry mix to note up in the northeastern portion of the Commonwealth. As we get later into today, though, we even have a couple chances of thunderstorms coming through, especially down Allegheny County and whatnot. That will continue to roll through all the way up until later tonight, where it will start to clear out a little bit. We'll get some of those clouds, even a little bit of that lake effect snow coming off of Erie as we get into the 30s, maybe even 29 or so, a little bit into the 20s. As we get in the later tonight, though, we'll get a little bit chillier, 20, 25 or so. Most of those clouds will roll out, and it won't be until around Sunday morning that we're finally going to start seeing some of that cloud coverage return. Now, something right now we kind of want to bring attention to. Again, I did mention a little bit of that wintry mix that might be happening up until around 9 a.m. or so. Just keep that in mind, especially in northeastern portions, Scranton, Williamsport, Allentown. That's really who we're talking about right now that might be getting some of that slick roads, even mostly around Center County region. A lot of the Commonwealth, it could be pretty slick out there right now. So until that rain fully comes on, just be careful if you happen to be driving anywhere early this morning. As of right now, the high of today will be 44. 100% chance of rain, not going to see the sun anytime soon here. Winds are coming from the southwest at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little bit of the same story tonight, going around 27, rain again. After around 3, 4 a.m. or so, we might be seeing some of those clouds roll in later with winds again on the later side. No more gusts, thankfully, no more wind chill that we have to worry about. A high of 31 tomorrow, though. Sunny skies, a completely different change as we saw on the radar previously with winds from the north at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, take a look behind me, 7-day forecast. A little bit of variation right now. Friday again today, we got some of that rain. It will start to eventually clear up. Sunday, we might see a few possible snow showers. Personally, I wouldn't count on it too much, but it's something to keep in mind if you do happen to see a little bit more snow. Monday, Tuesday, we'll be seeing a little bit of those warming temps, possibly reaching the 50s. We'll have to see where the trends are currently headed right now. Tuesday, Wednesday, 41, 41, and finally on Thursday, we might be seeing a little bit of rain showers, but again, that is a little far out, so only time will tell. My name is Brendan Schmalenberger. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.